Alright guys, day 3 or part 3 is finally here, and we're dealing with the handrails. As you can see, I've already got a couple of the handrails up, and that's because these were all pre-made parts pretty much. Had to just cut the 4x4s to 38 inches, and I have these handrails at 36 inches, which is the height that you have to have the handrails at for safety aspects of everything. So 36 inches is how tall the handrail is. My top of the post is 38 inches. I'm planning on putting like a little post top or something on the top of each post just to kind of give it a little bit of decorative work. But as you can see, the one part that I don't have finished is the stair rail. I don't like doing the stair rails. These were much easier to assemble because they had all of this already together. They were already screwed in. They had a nice little slot for them. They look great being recessed. These stair rails, they won't. They will be mounted on the outside of here and then mounted on the outside of the bottom as well. And we'll have to get all the angles and everything like that. Just a lot more work than doing these little rails. These rails I did in about half hour, 45 minutes or so. Got those all put up. Now it's time for the handrails for the staircase. Alright, so we've gotten the handrail rails up. One thing that really sucks though is that the nail gun had gone out. The seal that's in the back of it cracked. I guess it's just been dry. Doesn't get used a lot, so I guess it dried up. I oiled it before using it, and then all of a sudden it's got one whole side that's just cracked apart. So I've had to hand nail this all on, and if you ever hand nail a handrail, it's very hard because you got to hold it with one hand, try to nail with the other. So I've been using some clamps. I clamp around the bottom side of it right here to keep it held up, nailing the top side because that's pushing down, and then I come down here, nail this one. So let's go ahead and get the other side done before it gets way too hot out here. We gotta do this side real quick, and then we just gotta put on all the pickets.
Missing someone.
Alright guys, well, after 3 videos is finally completed, or at least as far as I'm going to take you guys, I still got to figure out something to do with these handrail tops right here, because these are not recessed into the 2x4. I cannot use the same kind of piece that I have for the actual handrails up top here. It just won't work because of just how they are. So I've got to figure out something else to do with those. It wouldn't look right. So I'm trying to figure out if I should do like a 1x4 on top of it with some rounded over edges or something like that. If you guys have any suggestions, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. I'm always interested in that. I got to figure out something to do for the tops of these. I was thinking about just some wooden toppers on top of these. I've also got to stain it. And for the stain, I've already done a test piece, and we're going to go with this red color and do the whole entire thing with that. Maybe next year do it a little bit darker. We'll see. Stain is nice because I can always go back over with a darker color. It's the Thompson water seal. Good stuff. Already is making it so that the rain doesn't sit on top of that section only. Make sure you check out the videos on replacing your ledger board and then creating the frame. This one includes all of the handrails. This handrail was super easy to put on because it was already pre-made. So check it out. Go check those other videos out. Thanks guys for watching. If you guys are new, hit that subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up button. I'll see you guys on the next video.